Hello everyone, my name is Temitope Adioye and I'm the Brand Communication Executive. Last week we discussed some documents relating to land and we're going to continue this week. One of the documents when it comes to land documentation is deed of gift. Now a deed of gift is you transferring ownership of rights from one person, that is the donor or the seller, to another person, the donee or the receiver. And we see this in cases where, for example, a parent wants to gift their child a parcel of land, or maybe their relative or just any other person without monetary consideration. We call this deed of gift. Next is power of attorney. Now, power of attorney is a legal document that authorizes one person to act on behalf of another person when it comes to land transactions. Now, this will happen in cases where a person cannot act on behalf of themselves when it comes to land transactions. Next is land or house receipt. A land purchase receipt typically shows the receipt of payment for a particular land or property. Now, this is usually issued by the seller to the buyer. Finally, we're going to talk about a gazette. A gazette is an official notice or announcement that is published in a newspaper or official publication. Now, a gazette will typically have information regarding the land or the property, such as sales, leases, or legal notice. The gazette will show the communities or villages that have been granted accession and the number of acres or hectares of land that the government has granted to be leased out. Now, the traditional families, it is from those excised lands that they can sell to the public and not anything outside of it. And this is why when you buy a landed property with Assuredway Investment Limited, you can be sure that the documentation process will be itch-free. So reach out to us today.